Hello ladies and gentlemen, Ford here from Ford's Tool Reviews. First thing I would like to get off my chest, in this video I am not sponsored by the product shown here today. I am also not affiliated or sponsored by Ford Motor Company. I am just wearing the shirt. I am not affiliated with Ford Motor Company in any way, shape, or form. Again, I am just wearing the shirt. Today on Ford's Tool Reviews, we are going to be talking about why you, the viewer, needs a Mag-Lite flashlight in your toolbox, or in any other brand of flashlight, but I'm going to show you why I prefer the Mag-Lites. So, if you guys don't know about Mag-Lites, these things are heavy. These things are super heavy duty, no thrills, no frills, chunk of aluminum flashlights with 2 D batteries. These things are extremely strong, and I mean extremely strong as in aluminum really should not be this strong. But these things are proven, they are tough, time and time again. This thing is proven to be very reliable, very, well, I can't say accurate, but very easy to work. If you're in a tight situation, you don't have to fiddle around with the button. You just press on, off switch. The battery compartment, it's relatively easy. The only thing I don't really like about this design, along with any other tool that has aluminum screwing threads, is that over time this is going to wear down so bad. Screwing into an aluminum tube is never really a good idea. Even if it's industrial strength, aircraft grade aluminum. And they still work. This thing has the original LED battery, or LED. This thing has the original batteries from 4 or 5, let's see, it's 2017, so about 4 years, no, 2018, so about, yeah, 4 years ago. This thing still has the same batteries. In fact, actually, this thing may need a battery change. Didn't really think I'd have to change the batteries this soon, but this is a Mag-Lite mag instrument. It is produced in Ontario, California. These things are relatively inexpensive, probably about $20 to $25 for a flashlight. They're sold everywhere. They have a very good proven track record. I won't say that they're accurate flashlights. I will say that they are very handy flashlights, though. Sorry, I was having to check something out the window. But these are worth the money. As I said before, my old car used to be this color, so that's why it's still this color. My car that I no longer have. I would like to say one thing real quick to you guys, like I said in the beginning of the video, I think. I am not sponsored by Mag-Lite flashlights. I am not sponsored by, I believe the battery packs in this is Duracell. It could be Rayovac, I don't know. No, it's Duracell. And I am not sponsored by Ford Motor Company, nor am I affiliated with Ford Motor Company. So, just wanted to let everybody know that. A lot of people were wondering if I was affiliated with Ford. I am not affiliated with that Ford. No. So, anyway guys, if you guys want to add this to your toolbox, I would highly recommend it. I'm actually thinking about getting another one of these for my Husky box. These are very versatile and can be used by construction workers, mechanics, automotive techs, which is basically mechanics, pipeliners, welders. Welders use these. Basically any construction job you can possibly think of, they use a Mag-Lite at some point, or a different brand of flashlight. But this is definitely something you want to have in your toolbox. I'm not even kidding. This is something you guys want to have in your toolbox. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I will post a link in the description of the video where you can buy a Mag-Lite flashlight. It may not be the very same model though, because they've known to change models every couple years. So this model may not be made anymore, but it'll still be the same brand. So I will post a link down in the description below for the Mag-Lite flashlight, incandescent flashlight. So yes, that's today's video on Ford's tool reviews. I'm Ford, and I may be uploading a part 2 of the ratcheting screwdriver from Pittsburgh soon. I just have to find some time to do it. I do apologize for the inconvenience, everybody. If you guys saw the last video I made, I was kind of talking about how we've got a lot of stuff, like construction going on right now. We're basically fixing a lot of stuff. So, yeah, we had a rough winter. So, yeah. I will see you guys on the next tool reviews video, and peace.